As you can see, it's very hot.
Yeah.
Yes, and of course, it's full of action. It's full of love, and it's very different. So it's really a teleserye to watch out for.
Let's hear from the rest of the cast in 1 to 2 words. What was your favorite part of the story? What did the story bring out from you? I'm gonna put you first after hearing that. Oh, okay.
Action-packed.
Action-packed.
Steamy scenes.
Steamy, hot na hot. To the rest?
He is action and family.
And?
Siguro yung mga intense scene.
Intense. Ayan. So give it up again for Love Is Never Gone!